Alright, so I'm going to be talking about these LED lights that I installed on the Dodge Ram. So here are the lights. They're pretty light. I didn't do the drill. I used the this bracket that has a rubber top and multiple little bolts at the bottom there that compress it together. The wiring was pretty straightforward. It came with the kit. Here's the other side. So let's see what they look like. Alright, so this is where I put the switch. I was going to do a wireless, but the wireless didn't have enough. It just didn't make sense, so I just put this in here, and that's the difference. It's still daylight out here, sort of, but you can see the difference. There it goes. So let's see how much light they look. They give out. Not too bad. Yeah. And you get a pretty good amount of light, so that's going to be the starting point of what I want to do for my lighting. I'm going to be going camping this summer, hopefully, so the lighting will help some. So this is the switch. On, off, on, off. So that's it. That's another project.